Hello, I'm so excited to talk with you about the future of our profession, AI-enhanced coaching. At its core, it's about combining traditional coaching wisdom with powerful AI tools to elevate every session. This fusion helps us improve session quality, generate deeper insights, and keep our clients truly engaged. It's a common misconception, but AI does not replace the coach. Instead, it acts as a powerful support system. Think of it as having a highly capable assistant working behind the scenes so you can focus on the human connection. One key way AI supports us is by generating powerful, thought-provoking coaching questions tailored to the moment. These questions can help shift perspectives and open up new avenues for exploration during a session. AI can also summarize sessions instantly, capturing the key takeaways while you stay present with your client. Another amazing feature is its ability to identify patterns over multiple sessions that might be hard to spot otherwise. Whether it's recurring themes or emotional shifts, these data-driven insights can guide your strategy. Need a personalized exercise for your client? AI can help draft those in seconds, from reflection prompts to action plans. It also assists in structuring entire coaching programs, ensuring a logical flow and consistent progress. Now, let's talk about the practical benefits you'll see in your day-to-day practice. First, there's better preparation. You'll enter every session with a clearer roadmap and better context. Deeper questioning follows naturally, leading to more profound breakthroughs for your clients. One of the most appreciated benefits is faster documentation. Capturing notes and summaries becomes seamless. This means less administrative overhead and more time for what matters most, the coaching itself. You'll also find improved consistency across your client load, ensuring every person gets your best level of support. This partnership isn't about numbers, it's about people. AI empowers coaches to be more intuitive and present. Clients experience more personalized journeys, with every insight and goal tracked with precision. From the first discovery call to the final session, AI-enhanced coaching provides a consistent, high-impact experience. As we embrace these tools, we're not just keeping up with tech, we're providing a more robust service. It's about staying curious, adapting, and using everything at our disposal to help our clients thrive. If you're ready to explore how AI can enhance your practice, now is the perfect time to start. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing how you use these tools to make an even bigger impact.